guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have done this very bold, bright, brave, sassy makeup look for you guys. I have also done a review on the gel liners in this video by Marc Jacobs. So if you want to see how I got this very 60s, 70s, bright, bold, sassy makeup look, then please keep watching. So for this video I've already done my brows and this eye off camera just to save time, because I just have a feeling that this video would be so long if I was to do literally everything on camera. So I am now just going to go in and prime my lid with the NYX HD Eyeshadow Primer. I'm just going to put this all over the lid, bringing it up to the brow bone. And I'm just going to blend that out with my finger, bring it all the way up to the brow inner corner and blend it out. To set that primer, I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. HD setting powder, and using my Point S Real Techniques brush, I'm just going to set the entire primer just so that my eyeshadow has a smooth base and it's not too sticky. So for this eyeshadow look I will be going in with the NYX Riot palette and the Ultimate Bright palette, and I will just be taking the two orange colours from both of the palettes. So starting with this orange, I am just going to be taking that on my Zoeva 228 crease brush, and I'm just going to pop that in the crease. Just blending that backwards and forwards in the crease, bring it into the inner corner as far as I can, and just bluffing it out and just blending it out into the outer corner as well. Going into the colour, I'm picking up the champagne shade. I'm just going to use a flattened of the Urban Decay brush and just stick that underneath the highest part of my arch, just for some highlight. And using a clean spectrum fluffy brush, I'm just going to buff that colour out even more to help it blend out. Then using the orange shade from the Riot palette, I am just going to deepen that a little bit more. Just bringing that onto the lid as well slightly. So I'm now done with the orange, so it's now for the yellow cut crease. So for that I'm going to use my Shape Tape concealer from Tarte. I'm just going to place a little bit on the inner corner. Blink, look up, and you now have a new guide. So I'm just going to fill that guide in now with the rest of the concealer. So now that I have cut my crease out, I'm now going to go in with this fluorescent yellow from the Ultimate Brights palette on a Urban Decay brush that I got with one of my Naked palettes, and I'm just going to press that onto the concealer first. Here I am just going back and forth with that yellow pigment just to help it blend a little bit easier with the orange. Now using a precision brush, I'm just going to take that yellow and I'm just going to bring that up to where we cut the new crease. Just taking my time with this because you don't want to mess this part up. Going back to my crease brush and that orange colour from the Riot palette, I'm just going to go over the top of that yellow and help everything just blend and transition more seamlessly and not so harsh. So now that I'm happy with how the top portion of my eye looks, I am now going to stick some lashes on, and these are the Kiss Faux Mink lashes in the style Gala. They are very fluffy, they're very thick, and they do have a very thick lash band as well, so they are a little bit harder to adjust to my eye. But I am just going to stick these on off camera and I will be right back. Lashes are now on, so now moving on to face makeup, and for that I'm just going to go in with my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base as a primer quickly. I somewhat love this face base. It's absolutely amazing. I swear by it now. Swear by it. So I'm just going to buff that into the skin all over. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match in the shade Ivory, and I'm just going to give this a good shake. I'm just going to apply it with my beauty blender as well. Next for concealer is, you already know what it is, it's the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte. Between you and me, I am so excited for Tarte's Shape Tape Foundation. You know I'm going to be buying it, you just know for a fact. But Lord knows that I will be getting that foundation because I absolutely swear by the concealer. So hopefully the foundation won't let me down. I'm hoping, because the concealer is literally gold. So to set my dry, I'm going to go back into my e.l.f. setting powder. Again, it's translucent, and again I'll be using my Real Techniques Point S brush just to stop any creasing under there. And obviously I get quite oily in my T-zone, so I'm just going to take it down the sides of my nose as well, just to keep that all matte. For the rest of my face, I'm going to go into my Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder on a Bare Minerals face brush, and I'm literally just going to set the rest of my face. Next, I'm obviously going to go in with my face shaping palette by Tarte. I'm just going to pick up the shade Terracotta on a Bare Minerals brush, and I'm just going to contour my face. Just using the Terracotta shade to warm the face up first. Then taking Desert on an angle brush, I'm just going to brush that in the hollows of my cheeks. For blush, I'm going to be using the Milani Baked Powder Blush in the shade Luminoso. And this is a very pigmented blush, but it gives you such a gorgeous shine and natural glow. It's healthy looking. I somewhat like it a lot. So for highlight, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Neffree. And this is such a beautiful pink shift with lavender, and it's blinding. It's blinding. So I'm just going to stick this on the high points of my cheeks and a little bit above the brow. Above the brow. A little bit on the bridge of my nose and tip of my nose as well. Just taking a Bare Minerals face brush, I'm just going to blend all that together so it's more seamless and natural. Pink highlight is not really natural, but we'll go with it. So moving back to the eyes, and this is where I will review the eyeliners. The gel eyeliners from Marc Jacobs, and this is the packaging that they come in. It's very chic, it's very modern, it's very me. Very monochromatic, and I like it. I have the colours Pink of Me and Popular. So this is what the components look like. I absolutely love the components. I just love the packaging and everything in general about these so far. This is Popular, which is a very nice, bright, vibrant fuchsia colour, and this is more of a baby pastel colour, and that is Pink of Me. But for today's video, I will be using Popular, which is more of the vibrant fuchsia, bright, bold, sassy pink shade. So what Marc Jacobs says about these eyeliners, I'm literally just going to read out of the pamphlet. And introducing the Highliner Matte Gel Eyeliner Crayon, matte, not flat, extreme colour and waterproof. Experience the same amazing glide, instant colour payoff and waterproof wear of award-winning Highliner Gel Eye Crayon. Now in a bold matte formula, intensified by super rich pigment, this gel eyeliner glides on smoothly for a precise application, then sets in place for all day 12-hour wear. So I'm just going to take Popular, which again is that fuchsia pink colour, and I'm just going to run this along my waterline. I'm just going to take it all the way into the inner corner as well. I like what I see. I do like what I see. So moving on to the other eyeball. Doing the exact same. So I'm just going to swatch these on the back of my hand for you guys so you can see how pigmented these eyeliners are. This is what the two shades that I have look like. This is Popular and the other one is Pink of Me. They went on so smooth. They are very creamy. They don't feel too drying on the back of my hand when I swatched them. They didn't tug on my eyes or tug on the back of my hands. So, moving on to eyeshadow to finish off this eye look. And I have lost my eyeshadow palette. How did that... Oh, found it. So to finish this eyeshadow look off, and because I've done a pink eyeliner, I am going to go in with these two pinky purple shades on a Spectrum brush. And I'm just going to brush that underneath my eyeball and connect it to the top lid. So to finish this eye makeup look off, it's obviously mascara, so I'm going to go in with my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. This is not the waterproof one either. I'm just going to coat my lower lashes. I've literally just stuck the mascara wand in my eye. That's what betrayal feels like. Just going back into this champagne shade and a pencil brush from Zoeva. I'm just going to stick this in the inner corner, just for an extra pop. So to finish this entire look off is obviously lipstick, and you know me, I would normally do a nude lip with something very bold, bright, in your face. But because it's a bold, bright, sassy, in your face, brave makeup look, I am going to go with a pink lip. I'm going all out for this, going all out. So this is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Tea and Cookies, which is a really nice, soft, pastel-y pink. And for lip gloss, I'm going to go in with the NYX High Shine Crystal Soda lip gloss. I'm just going to stick this to the centre portion of my lips. This will give the illusion of a fuller lip. Now to set everything in place, I will be using the Loreal Infallible Fixing Mist. So this is the completed look. I, low-key, getting some like floral, bright 60s, 70s vibes from all of this. So as always, everything that I have used will be listed down below for you guys if you are interested. My conclusion of the gel liners from Marc Jacobs is thebomb.com. May have to buy some more. There is a vast shade range in these gel liners, so I may just have to go and buy all of them. I'm just saying. But if you did like this video, then click the thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. I upload every Tuesday and Sunday with a weekly vlog. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!